Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fade in and out audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, we're in Adobe Premiere now, and I have here a music video that I'm going to be doing this tutorial on, and it's going to be a quick one. I'm going to just show you the ways of doing a fade out and a fade in audio effect. And the first way is to go to the effect panel right here and look for cross fade. And you can see here under the audio transition cross fade, you'll have all these other options to do a fade, and you can add whatever effect you want. I'm just going to add the exponential fade right here, and you can see it was added. You can just zoom in so you can have more control on the effect. So you can select it and just see how it sounds like and if you're satisfied or not with it. I think it can go for a longer period, so I just click and drag the exponential fade a little bit more. So that sounds better. And you can also change the duration manually by just double clicking on the effect and choosing how much do you want it. For example, I want it to be for 1 minute. I'll just change this to be for 1 minute and then press OK, and it's changed the duration of the fade effect. So you can play with that, and that is the first way of doing it. You can also add it to the beginning of the video as well and just do the same adjustments that we did. And the second way of doing it, let's just delete that, is the quicker one, which is right clicking on the end of the audio file, and you can just apply default transition, and it's added for us the constant power fade. You can actually change the default transition, but I think this one is really nice. The constant power, the exponential fade as well is good. So what matter is the duration of the fade and how do you want it to look based on your desire. And the last way of doing a fade is by creating keyframes to the line of the audio. So let me just make this look a little bit bigger. And as you can see here, we have a line that represents the level of the audio. And what you can do is you can create keyframes on this line and play with it. So to do a keyframe, you have to press Control on your keyboard and then click on the line and then create another keyframe. And then you can go down to the last bit of it, and you can just play it and see how it looks. So it sounds nice. If you want to be a faster fade, you just bring this closer to the last frame, to the last keyframe, and then let's play it. So it sounds good, and you can do the same thing for here. For the front, you can create a keyframe here and a keyframe here, and then bring this down, and then let's see how it sounds. That is amazing. So that is basically it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I'll see you in the next video.